Competent professional advice usually doesn't come cheap. And I say usually because there are exceptions. In fact, each week right here on Motor Week, our top tech Pat Goss dispenses priceless car care advice that's absolutely free.
John, this time I have some simple solutions to some bothersome problems. First, you're driving down the road with the windows rolled down, enjoying the breezes, and all of a sudden, the headliner is down around your ears. Well, that is annoying at best and dangerous at worst. Usually you have to take the car to an upholstery shop and spend quite a bit of money getting a new headliner installed. But now there is a solution. It's from Heads Up, and we found our kit at Pep Boys. Well, what this is replacement headliner material. It comes in a variety of colors with quick, simple instructions to go with it. It's inexpensive and does a great job. Now, a letter from Jeffrey R. Goodell of Charleston, West Virginia. He has a 1990 Probe GT, and he has problems with moisture getting into the taillights. Well, that's a common problem. See, lots of times people will bump into the back of your car in a parking lot. They don't think they did any damage, but what did happen is that the seam along the top of the tail lamp is cracked open. Well, what you do to fix it is real simple. You clean it, you dry it using a hairdryer if necessary, then clear RTV silicone sealant along that seam in a small amount, and you'll hardly know that it was ever damaged. All right, now our next one. This is from Rick Tang of Naperville, Illinois. Now what he has is a stuck oil filter, and lots of people succumb to that. See, you can do everything right with an oil filter, and many times you just can't get it off when the time comes. Use a good quality wrench, always. The wider the wrench, the less chance of flattening or crushing the oil filter. And if all else fails, you've tried everything, I've had good luck with dry ice, which super cools the filter and makes it easier for it to come off. Always use good, heavy gloves when you're handling dry ice. It can be very dangerous. Jimmy Crawford of Richmond, Kentucky, he has a stripped spark plug in the cylinder head. It just spins in there. Can't get it out. Well, that doesn't happen all that often, and there really usually is only one fix. That fix is to remove the cylinder head, take it to a machine shop, and have them remove it. The cost at the machine shop, $30 to $35. More typically, though, aluminum heads, the threads come out of the spark plug holes. Go to your local parts store. You can buy a helicoil kit where in less than a half an hour you can repair the threads without a lot of hassle or a lot of expense. If you have a question or a comment, write me a letter. If I select your letter, I'm going to send you a Motor Week t-shirt. The address is Motor Week, Owings Mills, Maryland, 21117.